at this point we've decided, based on the feedback that we've gotten from stakeholders across the Commonwealth, that they would prefer to have a state-based exchange in place in here. So we're now taking those initial first sort of baby steps, working with the General Assembly and figuring out what a state-based exchange in Pennsylvania would look like. There are federal grants that are available that allow us to give us the money to build in large measure, if not all of it, to build the exchange, to get it up and running. Once it's up and running, it's on the exchange to become self-sufficient at that point. So we have to figure out, as part of this exchange model, how to fund that exchange going forward once that federal money goes away. We expect, hopefully, the Supreme Court to rule on this case by summer, is what sort of everybody's talking about, certainly by the end of the year. So we should have that judicial guidance within the next 6 to 9 months. We don't expect to have gone down that far down the road in terms of having a fully functional exchange in the next 6 months. We'll still be in the early IT building stages. And if the court does rule that the law is unconstitutional, I think at that point we're looking at a reset. Everybody goes back to square one and we figure out what plan B is at that point.